Most people dream about making millions, but they fail at step one, getting started. The first $10,000 is the hardest, but once you hit that mark, the next dollar, 100K, becomes much easier. Do you want to know the secret? Let's break it down into fewer simple steps that anyone can follow. Step one, sell a service. Instead of your time working for an hourly wage. That IDA, selling a skill, game changer. Most people make money by trading time for cash. But the real trick is to sell value instead of hours. Learn a high-income skill like wall video editing, full copywriting, wall AI automation services, social media management. You can start this right now from anywhere with zero investment. Step two, find the right clients. A big mistake beginners make, targeting the wrong clients. If you're a video editor, instead of working for small YouTubers, go for business owners and brands who have money to spend. Use platforms like Flutter, Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, Twitter X Connect, provide value, and close deals fast. Step three, automate and scale up. Once you start making money, don't get stuck doing everything yourself. Successful people outsource, automate, and scale. Offer or charge higher rates as your skills improve. Use AI tools to do more in less time. Hire freelancers for repetitive tasks. This way, your income grows without increasing your workload. Step four, invest and multiply your income. Now that you're making money, don't just spend it, invest wisely. Upgrade your skills and tools. Wortier digital products for passive income. Wortier build a personal brand to attract premium clients. The more you invest in yourself, the faster your income multiplies. If you found this valuable, like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing strategies.